What up, YouTube? Welcome back. Let me wipe you guys off really quickly. Hopefully that is better. Today's going to be a quick one. We are going to
change my oil.
That's right. And what else are we going to change?
My filter.
That's right. And on top of doing that, we're going to do your air filter too.
And oh, we forgot about the.
It's right there.
No, we forgot about the wiper.
Wiper fluid. Nothing.
Ain't no
You really use up this much all the time? Like I be having
Oh my god!
I be having windshield wiper fluid in my car for a whole year. I never use this stuff. I keep windshield wiper fluid in my car for like a whole year. It's because I'm a real man.
Mine lasted what, like a couple of months?
A couple months, if that.
Because they were getting dirty.
All right, guys. So we're gonna Do you guys want to watch her do this? Do you want to tag along with me when I do mine? I don't know. All right, let's just take care of our stuff then, guys. Take out this old bolt over here. Probably not. They like hanging out with me. You know how that be.
They tired of it.
That's what the word was.
She's not in the video. I don't want to watch it. Lefty Lucy?
Yes, lefty loosey, righty tighty. I cannot do this by hand. Fuck you talking about? That's what I meant. Just put that down preliminarily because we don't have the wheels loaded. So now, baby, I'm gonna need your help. We got it. We got it. Okay. One down. Yep. We are working. Oh, thank you. So we're gonna try to line this up. Okay, guys. So we put that on there. That was a huge fight. Put that one on there. Lower ball joint is on there. And I'm gonna tighten everything up. I'm gonna load everything up, then tighten everything up. I'm gonna put the sway bar bushing on, and we're gonna be good. We're back in it with your favorite at-home mechanic, trying to get this stuff done the best I can. And it's the home stretch, guys. At this point, we're trying to make sure everything is lined up. Make sure my heat shields aren't touching, because that's a terrible noise. And we're getting it. So now we're putting the brakes back. Stretch, baby. We got this. We got this. And these are the brakes that I bought the car with, making that good old delicious noise that we all love. And these are the Little $25 brake pads from Advanced Auto. Gosh, who designed this? Right, baby?
Right.
She just say anything to me. And then these are the replacements.
Forget it.
And then they don't have hardware, so that on there, this on there. Make sure that the dust shield isn't touching.
Hello guys, so that is that. And this is it. And yeah, we're done. That is done. We're done. How you feeling?
Good, we did a good job.
You did a good job.
She changed her oil.
No, I didn't. Stop it.
So all of that being said, man, thanks for hanging out with us, guys. Hit that like button. Comment something down below. Keep staying positive. Till next time.